name is Miss Betty and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, as you know by the title, I'm doing New Year's Eve makeup tutorial. This makeup tutorial you can apply every day you want, but I think it's really flattering. I wore these eyes the other day. As you can see, it's brown halo eyes with glitter, like gold glitter here, big lashes, like really nice, like dramatic eyes, and nude lip. And everyone complimented me. Everyone was like, girl, you look good. So I decided to recreate for you because I want you to look good too. And yeah, I don't know what else to say, like I forgot how to do intros my videos, but never mind. If you want to follow me on Instagram, my Instagram will be here because I'm going to upload a lot of pictures with this makeup look, and I'm going to upload picture with my Christmas tree that I decorated in my last video. You can also check that video if you want. It's really funny, really amazing. I really loved doing that. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. If you want to see how to create this makeup look, then keep on watching. Guys, the only thing I did to my face is I applied a little bit of foundation and a little brows. So now I'm using KKW X Mario eyeshadow palette. She is really ratchet. That is because I use it all the time. I really love this palette. And I'm going to use this shade, this one here, which I think is called Miami. And I primed my eyes just with a concealer. So we will see how will that hold on, because I'm actually testing some things. So as you can see, I'm just blending this eyeshadow really nicely. Maybe I should zoom you in a little bit, like this. Hey! Okay. Now when you're zoomed in, you can see better what I'm doing, and I'm just blending this eyeshadow here. And now I'm taking this darkest brown eyeshadow with this, like it's a Sigma Blending E25, and I'm going to apply it. This brown is really like going all over the place, so I hope we're going to make it perfect. I'm just going to apply it, as you can see, like that, because we're doing like a halo effect. Now I'm going to take this kind of a reddish eyeshadow. I love this eyeshadow, and I'm just going to use her to blend everything really nicely. I really don't care if it gets messy because I'm going to clean that up and everything is going to be fine. And yeah, actually guys, I wanted to ask you, did you watch my Christmas tree decoration video? Because I think you will really love it. If you didn't see it, go watch it right now. It's really cute. You can see my niece there. We were together having fun. It was really funny. And now with that red eyeshadow, I'm just going to take a little bit. And I'm going to apply it under my lower lash line. Blend it really nicely. And before I continue, I'm just quickly going to apply a little bit of concealer under my eyes. And we need that under eyes to be concealed. And the concealer is from Catrice. It's their liquid camouflage, like the best drugstore concealer ever. And this beauty blender is, I actually can't remember. I think the brand is called Blush, not really sure, but it's not expensive at all. Now I'm also putting my loose powder. It's from Essence. It's not a big deal, but it's good. Not great, but good, because I want to put glitter on my eyelids, and I have face makeup and I don't want my glitter to fall apart. all over the place, so even if some glitter falls, I can wipe them with like this. You will see it's really nice, really good trick. For my glitter, I'm using this glitter glue from Revolution Makeup, and I'm using this NYX glitter in shade, it doesn't have shade but it has number 04. It's really like a nice golden, like brownish golden. I really love it. I'm just going to apply here this glitter glue. And the thing that I'm not going to do, I'm not going to put glitter all the way like down, because I want to apply my highlighter. And when I apply my, not highlighter, eyeliner, and when I apply my eyeliner in top of this glitter, it doesn't look cute. So I have to turn my head like this because I don't want my glitter to fall all over the place, and it's already falling. I don't like that, but you know, that's life sometimes. And now I'm just dusting off this excess powder on my face and also excess glitter. And now we're going to do our eyeliner. So for my eyeliner, I'm using my NYX eyeliner with a little eyeliner brush, and I'm just going to apply my eyeliner up and down everywhere nicely, like little wing, you know, this drill. And after that, I'm going to apply my eyelashes off camera. And after that, I'm going to come back and to show you what we're going to do with our face. And actually, for lips, with this makeup look, you can apply whatever you want, but as you may or may not know, I'm a sucker for nudes, so I'm definitely going to apply some nude lipstick. So guys, and now we're doing my favorite part, and that is blush, highlight and bronzer. So first I'm using my highlighter. I love this highlighter. I think like I use this highlighter so much because it's so great. Like I really do love this highlighter. This is my third like packaging that I'm using. It's from Catrice, and like look at this. And now I'm using my bronzer, which is also from Catrice. This is Sun Glow Matte Bronzing Powder. It says that it's water resistant, and that's what I love. I love everything that is waterproof. And guys, now I'm seeing that this eyelash is so ratchet. I don't like it at all. And now I'm going to apply a little bit to my nose, but if I want to contour my nose, because I don't always contour it, I contour it just some days. If I wanted to contour it, I will also take this bronzer but with a smaller brush. And for now, I'm just doing like this. You see little motions, and now it's little and cute. And now with the same Sigma brush, I'm using also Sigma blush. This is called Heavenly, and it's heavenly. It's like the perfect color for me. It's like peachy. I love that. And as you noticed, I have to smile when I apply my blush because I don't want to overdo it. As you noticed, I didn't powder my face. I usually do because I usually have like oily skin, but I don't know for what reason my skin for last couple of days become really dry. As you can see, it looks kind of drying. I applied moisturizer, but my moisturizer is also for oily skin, so it doesn't do much. And now in the end, I'm going to show you my favorite lip combo. First of all, I line my lips with this Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner in the shade Deeply Intoxicated. I just line my lips with this. Then I use my Wet n Wild Mega Last lipstick. It's not a matte, it's just regular, but I really love this color, and this is the color, is like pink sugar. It looks so good on me. And in the end, I'm applying my Revolution, I think this is kind of like a lip topper, lip gloss. I don't know what it is, but it really looks like Fenty Beauty lipstick, and this is the golden shade. I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of have gold sparkles, and it goes with this makeup look perfectly. So yeah guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you like it. This is how it looks. It's really cute. I already wore these eyes and I know everybody loved them. If you try this makeup look, please tag me on your pictures so I can see them and I can repost them on my story. If you watch this video, also you can do that. If you want to follow me on Instagram, my link is here, and in my description also. What's wrong with me? Not going into that. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and don't forget to watch my tree decorating video, because the picture that I'm going to post next on my Instagram will be with the tree that I decorated in my previous video. So I think that will be really cute. And yeah guys, that was it for today's video. I love you so much. Happy New Year, and I'll see you in next year. Bye!